this is part 2. There you go. There you go. Breaking. Then close it. So it has to be closed. Yes. So up there we are going to have this one now. So this is the top. This is the top upper surface of your piston. That's where your valves, they'll be hitting your piston, so that the combustion, you have the positive combustion. Understand? Up here. Sorry for that. From here till there, it will be closed. So whatever that was there, it will disappear, my brother. So that is why it is very much important to analyze the view before you even draw it, because you'll find that you'll be drawing things that at the end you have to erase them. So you'll find that you'll be drawing things that at the end you have to erase them. So analyze what is your drawing, analyze, so that those that they have to disappear, you don't even draw them. So now we are done with what? With item 1. So now not completely done up until we get this. Up until we get this. This is radius 10 millimeter. If I'm saying this, I'm talking about this one. It has to be dark, isn't it? They said it's radius 10 millimeter. So this is going to be the same as this one. So radius 10 millimeter. So which means I'll go down. But then this is not allowed. Let me do it the proper way, because now I'm in a rush to finish. Let me do it the proper way so that you know. I want to get the radius 10 here, isn't it? So I open my drawing compass at 10 millimeter. Then now I come and place it here at this point and mark this side and also mark this side. Understand? So I take this one horizontally so that it's going to assist me even this side. Understand? So I take this one vertically. So where they are bisecting each other, that's where I'll be placing my drawing compass and draw this radius 10. So that's the proper way. From here till the dark, like this. So now you can have this one dark from here till there, and from here till there, going down. So from this point, 10 coming this side, 10 coming this side. We already have this side because they're in the same line, isn't it? So we'll only take it this side now. Just this one. Then you take it vertically down. So which means you place your drawing compass here, draw from here till there. Radius 10 millimeter. You can draw. There it is. Draw it a little bit down. So dark vertically you go, right? Then from there we can now talk about putting this part of your item 2. So now from here going down 120 millimeter, isn't it? So which we are going to record it from here going down 120 millimeter. There is my 120. This is my 130, 120 is this one. So there it is. So which means I will have to further draw this center line till down there. So my 120 is ending here. So where your 120 ends, there is just a line. It's not a center. This is a line. Right after you've gotten that, what do you do with that line of yours? What do you do with that 120 of yours? So there is a thickness of 12 millimeter. Thickness of 12 millimeter. So we are going to say 6 this side and 6 this side. This is 10, 11, 12, and 12. And then project them up. Project them up. You see, once they touch there, you see what is happening. They are not straight. So which means it's which one is this one? Which means it should be this side. So erase just a little bit again. Again, just a little bit. So that you get this from here till there. And again this side. So your item 2 is now coming clearly. So it's gonna go till 820, isn't? But where your 120 to go back up, there is a dimension of what? Of 30 millimeter. So from here till there we are going to have 30 millimeter. From here going back, from here going back up, you measure 30 millimeter. So here is this one. There is my 30. Once I get my 30, I draw a horizontal faint line. Right, so if we put this cutting plane like this, was if we cut the if we were to draw the full sectional front view of item 2, full sectional front view of item 2, which means the cutting plane was on the other view. So which means the cutting plane was here. So from here till there it cutted, which means your hatch is there. From here till there it's a hole, which means this one dark, this one dark, this one disappear, this one disappear. So your hatches, you're not gonna section here. You section going down, section going down. From here till here it will disappear. How about these ones? So these ones, they will disappear. Actually there are 2. That is why they said 2, isn't it? 2 of item 4, 2 of 5, 2 of item 6. So which means it's 1 and 2. Which means it's 1 and 2. So we will cut to separate. The other one will remain with the outside, with an offcut. The other one will remain with the part that we are looking for, but it's going to be beyond this. You understand? It is going to be beyond this. So now we are seeing a dimension, because it will cut from here till here. From here till here it's a hole. from here till there it will cut. So from here till there it won't cut, so which means we are not going to have hatches here. Our hatches, they're gonna end there. So we are going to need the radius 25 millimeter, the radius 25 millimeter, which means from here till there is 30, isn't it? Again from here till there measure 25 millimeter. There is 25 millimeter, which is that radius. Have this one, right? So bear in mind that there is another what item 3 that is it has to be fitted here, and item 3 is of diameter. Is this 30? This is 30, this is 35, I think this one is 35. Remember, my brother, your dimensions are not clear. What you sent me, I tried to print it out, so it's not clear enough. So, but I think it's 35. That one, I'm convinced, is 30. So, which means from here going down, I still have to measure how much? 35 millimeter. But now let's complete this one. From here till here, the set is 22 millimeter. So 22 divided by 2 is 11, isn't it? So there is 11, 10, 11. So I mark at 0, I mark at 22 millimeter. It's right here. Then this 22, I will still need it there by my item 3. So which means this one, that's where the 25 we were saying is ending, isn't it? So from here till there is 25. So without fear or favor, I can have it solid, this one, without fear or favor. And again, from here till there, up dark, which is which one? Is this one. From here till there, A1, dark. Even though this line is still going to be joined when we are putting the item 3. There you go. So now it is not a sharp corner, it has got those small cycles. If we are not given them, we are using this one, unless they told you that is radius 10 or radius 40. So it will be closed here and you go down. Right. So what you did this side, do it this other side now. So from here till up. So after I've gotten it like this, so you are going to have this one till there. Let me double check, because from here till there it will disappear. From here till it will disappear. So then we are going to have it clear. If clear, because what we are going to see is this one, this corner, not that one. So which means with that fear or favor, I can have it this one solid till there, which is part solid like this, which is part item 2. So we are fitting item 3 in item 2 now. So it's of the same thickness, which is thickness 22 millimeter, which is what we did here. So we are only just going to put 35 from here going down, 35 going down, this our 35. Here's our 35 millimeter. So it's of the same thickness to there. Till there. So is there anything that's gonna change? A dark here, this one will disappear, the other one it will remain. No, there is nothing is gonna change dark. So which means without fear or favor, I'm going to have this one closed like this. But now let's see, from here till there the hacksaw was not cutting anything. The hacksaw started to cut from here till there, so it's going to be vice versa of this one, and this is the same what radius 25. So which means in other ways you can just take your drawing compass, put it like this from here till there, then I come and mark this side. This is it, come and mark this side, so that here solid, so that here is solid. Then from there, what do you do? Remember, this is the bottom part of your. So now we can have this one from here till there dark, from here till there dark. Remember, this line is part of your item 1. Again, from here till there dark. Which one? It was this one, which is the same as what? As this one. You understand? So now we've put it item 3 in item 2. So now how about item 5 and item 6? So if you take a closer look, the length of your item 5, the set from here till here is 8. So this, it would be as good as if it's being fitted there. So if this is 80, whereas the thickness or the height of your item 2 is 30. So let's check. If I say 30 plus 35, 35 is giving me 60. So the remainder minus 80 is 15 millimeter. So that 15 millimeter, you are going to consider the thickness of or the height of your washer. Sorry, not a washer, a nut. We are not told to put a washer there. We are not told that there is a washer there. You understand? So now, so the remainder is what is 15 millimeter, of which is supposed to be drawn where? Here. So now let's see how are we going to get that. So now because here this one, these are center line, construction line, faint line. So the length of your item 5, which is the board, is not going to be drawn, or it is not going to be seen. It is not going to be seen because it's after the cutting plane. The other one is before the cutting plane. So now what we are going to see draw now is what is item 6. It will be just drawn there, item 6. So how do you draw item 6? The height of the, let's see, it was M what? It was M10. Is item 6 M10, which is the nut. So we have to, the height of the nut, is 0.8 times 10 millimeter, isn't it? which is 8 millimeter, which means from here till there has to be 8 millimeter. You understand? From here till there has to be 8 millimeter. Then even before all that, we have to say 1.5 times M number, which is M10, is 15. So we have to draw, you open your compass to that 15 millimeter, so that we get the auxiliary view of your nut. But due to space, let me see, is it going to fit there? I am not quite sure. So if from here till there is 8 millimeter, (8 millimeter), 10, 9, 8 millimeter. So this one is going to be the height of my nut, 8 millimeter. So now if this is my 8 millimeter, so I take a drawing compass, you open it to 15, not 15, 16, 7.5, which means 7.5. So which means we are drawing diameter 15, 7.5. Due to space now. Then from there, so now strike an arc here, strike an arc here, strike an arc here, and place it here, strike an arc, strike an arc. Then after that, can have this one. And that one. Then this one to the center. 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 Then from there I can take this point down, this one down, this one down, this one down. So I've got this one and this one, this one and that one. So I connect this one with that one. Let me do it. Faint, huh? Use the 30mm roll so that you don't be confused. And this one with that one. Understand? From there, where they are colliding each other, that's where I place my drawing compass and further extend it till here. Remember, there is no washamos. Here, till there, then I draw this one. So it's something very small, you see. So it's supposed to be dark till here, isn't it? So now I join this one with this one with that one. There you go. This one with that one. There you go. So I place my drawing compass here so that I get this arc. Place it here so that I get this arc. So it's something very small, which is what I will urge you to end with it, because it might take you time. Place it here till there. So you get it like this. I'm forcing it. And this side, this, so that now, there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. And like this you go. So that's your item 6. Item 6, this one. So item 5 we assume is already there, because we are not going to be able to draw item 5 because it's beyond this. You understand? Item 5 is beyond this, of which we are not going to be able to draw the hidden details of it. So then we can start to section now. Start to section. So how are we going to section our drawing now? We are going to section it, the bigger item with the a larger hatches. So then we section using 45 degrees, if you remember very well. So item 1 is this one. Item 1. So I'll decide to start here. It's item 1. There you go. Item 1. I'm using the upper top number, upper part of my numbers to equalize my sectioning. Remember, they must be equally spaced. There you go. There you go. So this side I cannot section here, remember. Yeah, this is that gap of your what you call of your piston. So you go this side, it was not yet out, but now it's out there. Go like this, you go there, you go there. You see now this side is now coming. There you go. And there you go. There you go. This you go. This you go. No, but there you go. This side. Yes, we go. There you go. This side. But there we go. There you go. There you go. this side. Let me check. This side is started to come out on this one. Item 1. We are sectioning item 1 for now. There you go. 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 So that's my item 1. So this item 1. Have this one. 8. This is item 1. Then after I've gotten that weight indicated by an arrow, item 2, it was which one? Item 2 is the, so it will be this direction. So I decide to start here. Remember that item 2 is actually starting here, but this part, it should be remain as an outside view. So which means the hatches actually is, which means we are not wrong. The hidden details of diameter 10, they will be shown here. Yes, I now see it. Diameter 10, which is this one and this one. They will be exposed here because this is not the surface. They will be exposed here. Till here. So we are not allowed to put hidden details on top of your hatches. You can't put hidden details on top of your hatches, you understand? So this surface, this one is which one? Is this gap. This gap. So that hidden detail is actually this one. You understand? So then let's continue with our hatches of item 2. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Item 2 now, eh? Item 2. There you go. Equally spaced at an angle of 90 degrees. So the direction of your hatches, they must differ. It shows that these are different items. There you go. There you go. Like this you go. Like that you go. You see now it's started to come up there. Remember, this is still part of your item. Your item 2. So that's item 2 for you. Item 2. You see, I'm using what kind of drawing sheet? It's tough, Baba. Yeah, it's tough, Baba. I don't have drawing sheets, guys, so I'm forcing to have to draw actually. So this is item 2. Then after item 2, there is item 3, which is this one. Item 3. Item item 3, so it's going to have even the size now, it will differ. This is item 3, remember, item 3. This is it. Item 3 is this one. Item 3. Item 3. So item 4 is the push. Item 4, it was this one, right? Item 4, this one. So this one will change to dark. Item 4, which is this one, my brother. So I decide to start here until there you go, there you go, there you go, till there, there you go, till there, there you go, till there. They set a full sectional, there you go, till there, 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 till there, here you go, here we go, last one on the side. Last one. So this gap, this is still part of your item, what? Of your item, of your item 1. This is item 3. Item 4, not item 3, item 4. So that's how you answer a assembled drawing. This is 4, and then I am going to show by this, like this, like this, and be like, this is item 5. You understand? Item 5. Item 5. And then, as well as item 6. 6, which is this one. Item 6, which is this one. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. That was Mr. Nkosi. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, my brother. I think I've answered your question. Sorry for the late reply. I was very much busy with some other things concerning drawing as well. So that was it. So from here till here. So remember that it's normally paid 30 marks, you understand, but you are not going to get the whole 30 marks if you haven't attached your part list. This part list, it has to be copied. You have to copy it, and you also draw it under your solution. Understand, you draw it there, but Mina, since I'm just showing you, I could not draw it. But in the examination or in the question, this part list, it has to be shown, and the scale again. Understand? so that you are able to get your 30 marks. So thank you very much guys for watching. That was Mr. Nkosi. See you on the next video. Okay.